Depression, anxiety and stress among married and unmarried police officers. The psychosocial problems produced by work environment has been a frequently addressed area for the research in the past 2 decades. Depression, anxiety and stress are widespread psychological problems of working persons. These are the most diagnosed illnesses in psychology. Depression, anxiety and stress have been recognized as important outcome measures in various work environments. A study revealed that stress may be caused due to the inappropriate work environment and may lead to depression or anxiety. Numerous other studies also reveal a positive association between working conditions and stress, anxiety, and depression. Police work is generally regarded as a highly stressful occupation. Policing is considered as the most psychologically dangerous profession worldwide. Police officers are frequently exposed to various traumatic situations ranging from threats to themselves and their colleagues, to witnessing riots, injuries or death of citizens, bombings, shootings, criminal activities, and often fatal shootings of perpetrators. They are required to operate in situations of conflict, apprehend violent criminals, and face hostile members of the public and deal with the inevitable political pressures of public life. Studies have linked various stressors of police work to psychological distress, depression, anxiety, alcoholism, burnout, cardiac disorders, and suicide, as well as family and marital problems. Evidence also suggests that police officers are at increased risk for suicide. Marriage is one of the most significant events of one's life, affecting social status as well as the mental health of an individual. Despite the charming attributes related to marriage, it increases the social responsibilities and liabilities of a person. The research, concerned with marital status and mental health-related problems, has not been consistent in general. Some studies reveal that marriage can improve mental health, while others suggest marriage is a stressful source in developing depression, anxiety, and stress. Many researchers conclude that marriage, in relation to mental health, is more beneficial for men as compared to women. Hence, some researchers are also of the opinion that women get more advantages by marriage in terms of mental health. Apart from these researchers, some studies focused upon the longitudinal interventions in which marital status was examined for its possible association with work conditions. These studies, however, have produced different results. Some of the studies reveal that men had poor mental health due to divorce and widowhood as compared to women, while some other studies provide opposite findings. Some other studies have revealed that marriage is a significant variable in reducing stress in both men and women. Adding family breakages to these findings concluded that family breakages, for example divorce, separation, or death of a spouse, result in mental health problems for the sufferers. Despite a sufficient literature on the relationship between policing and psychological problems, there is a paucity of empirical evidence pertaining to the study of the influence of marital status in developing depression, anxiety, and stress among police officers. A study conducted by Dr. Sukoon was targeted to measure and differentiate the levels of depression, anxiety, and stress among married and unmarried police officers of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Pakistan. The results of the study revealed that the married police officers projected higher levels of depression, anxiety and stress as compared to the unmarried police officers. Thanks for listening. To read the entire paper, kindly visit www.dersakoon.info.